The old Fantasy trailer had problems at Bathurst first setup. We bent all the bolts on the actual legs itself. They only had mild steel, bent straight away as soon as you started jacking it up. Didn't have much pressure on it at all. One of them even stripped all the roll pins, bent them, and so I had to pull that one off. Went down into town to the hardware shop, got some proper roll pins and some hardened steel bolts, and they've been perfect ever since. Ended up being a very speedy changeover. Quick and easy, just to bash the roll pin straight through, put one on top of the other, straight through, left all the gears in, and just tapped them through. Old ones come out, new ones went in. Yep. And then just put all the covers back on, and away we went. Look at that, shit, absolute shit. So yeah, probably a pay-do before you leave if you buy a new hybrid caravan. Just replace them all before you go. We also found other problems with the Fantasy trailer on the tyre rack. Might post a video up showing what went on there, but wrong size bolts and 2 bigger holes. Not real good. Not happy jam. See, absolute substantial stuff. Why would you even bother putting it in? Crazy. Next leg is down to Birdsville, so we had to take something to stop the rocks hitting on the thing. I looked up, between $300 and $500 to buy one, so went to Bunnings and bought a heap of stuff. Used the kitchen workbench and made our own rock stoppers. $90, cheap as.